So these are some yoga poses that you can do to help you static stretch at the end of your workout, or just to do some mindfulness and relaxing through this stressful time. Try to do each one for about 5 sets, about 10 seconds each time, really focusing on engaging our core, taking big, deep belly breaths, right? In through our nose and out through our mouth. I want to hold one for each 10 seconds. Have some fun. Bring your arms behind. And you're just going to arch your back, making that fin for that shark. Again, hold that pose for about 10 seconds. Deep breath in through our nose, out through our mouth. Next one, we have a giraffe, so we want to have a nice long neck, so we're going to reach our feet shoulder width apart. We're going to reach one hand up and over. We're really going to stretch out our side here. About 10 seconds. Big deep breath in through the nose, out through the mouth. I'll get us to the restart, and we'll go the other way. Good job. Oh, my favorite one, the elephant. Feet shoulder width apart, interlock our hands. Gotta make sure you have your trunk, and then we're just gonna swing back and forth. Really want to hear those great elephant noises. You can add a walk in too if you want. B pose. You're going to be down here, right, just like this, back straight. Okay, you can either have your hands here or you can plug them. Deep breath in through our nose and hold it. Crab pose. Going to be just like a crab, and we're going to hold it here, just like this. Taking deep breaths in. Hold again for about 10 seconds. Take a break, you can relax, you can get back up. You can add a walk in too if you want at the end. You're gonna have your feet out like this, right arm, gonna go underneath your left knee, left arm underneath your right knee. All you're going to do is just bend down as low as you can. Big deep breath in through your nose. And out through your mouth. Do that 5 times. Put our hands right in between, on the inside of our knees. And we're just going to hold it. We're going to push our knees against our elbows, and our elbows are going to push out against our knees. And we can make some noise. Ribbit, ribbit. Ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. We're restarting right back here on all fours. And then when you're ready, you're going to take a deep breath in. And we're going to go on our toes. Try and make a straight line. Tucking our head in between our arms. Same thing, try to hold for about 10 seconds. When you're ready, deep breath out. Return back. Hands still underneath our shoulders. Do each one for 5 times again. Be on all fours, like this, hands underneath our shoulders. All right, then you're going to take a deep breath in through your nose. And when you do that, you're going to bring your chin to your chest. You're going to arch your back. Try and hold it for 10 seconds. Take a deep breath out and return to normal. And when you're ready, go again. Arching that back, pushing your hands into the ground. Do that 5. All we're going to do is take a deep breath in. Hands are at our side. Deep breath in. Raise our hands above our head. And deep breath out to bring it back. Hold it for about 10 seconds.